Well, welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show, guys. Today we have an incredible live stream for you. So I hope you are fully excited, fully blessed. We have been really doing some amazing things here in the crypto space. The channel continues to grow. We continue to grow as a community. So I truly appreciate every single one of you beautiful beings. There is always a lot to share with you in this space, always constant, always disciplined, always here with you. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, please. All right. Welcome back, guys. So there is so much news to share with you. I don't even know where to begin. But like I've been saying to you guys, do not be fooled by all of the manipulation that is busy going on in the market. And, dare I say this live, but BlackRock, as we all know, and perhaps one or two of the others are actually already manipulating the Bitcoin space. Now, that is by suppressing its price at the moment, because by now Bitcoin would have absolutely have pumped out. But guess what? That's why I say do not be fooled at this moment. I have been showing you guys that Bitcoin is literally about to break out like absolute crazy. And so are altcoins. So do not miss out on this moment right now, guys. Literally, it is going to explode. And a lot of people think that the liquidity is drying up in Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin's just getting started. Okay. And even though there's more postponements of some sort in the ETF applications, I think that's still an amazing sign that you and I can collect more Bitcoin and accumulate more Bitcoin. Okay. Even though they already own a lot, but it gives us an opportunity to get ourselves lots and lots and lots more Bitcoin right now. Now, you can use my links down below, pinned in the comments of this video, and I will actually go ahead and make sure that you guys get that, because I don't actually believe it's pinned in the comments here for us right now, but we will see the bonus here, guys. Okay, copy. Now I come back to my channel. Make sure that you guys subscribe. So chat there. Let's get you guys ready and rocking here. So, as we can see here, we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Come, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Rock on the channel. Rock on the live stream, guys. We have been doing great stuff here. Now, let's talk a little bit about the Morales bubbles, and then I'm going to show you something else in a moment that is going to want to make you buy Bitcoin right here, right now, with me on this freaking live stream and get yourself accumulating. You do not want to miss out on this opportunity, guys. Tau, 32% pump. Cake, 4%. Bitcoin's up 1.8%. Injective up 3.3. TK, I might actually consider looking at a position in an Injective. Start small. Link is doing well. Near up 12%. HBAR 7%. Lido, look at all of these coins in the green today. Synthetics has been pumping today, guys. Casper a little bit down. Of course, Casper and Rollbit have to take a little bit of a dip there, guys. It is natural for the markets. I keep telling you, when the markets take a dip, be patient, wait for the dip to kind of stabilize, and that's when we will accumulate more crypto. So today, I just want to show you this beautiful chart here from Altcoin Daily and Crypto Dreams that the mainstream media will refuse to show you and me this chart. And that's why we have other cryptopreneurs like yourself, crypto fanatics like yourself, all of you, those who are watching the channel and subscribe to the channel. I truly appreciate you. You guys know that this is the most important time that we are about to see within the crypto space, that we are about to experience massive, massive influx of liquidity and capital into the crypto space. Now, guys, this chart here, as you guys can see here, 2011 to 2013. Now, I say that this bull cycle will be a resemblance of that same bull cycle momentum. Okay, I would like to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments, please, guys. I would love to know what your thoughts are there. So 2011 to 2013, bear market, accumulation, boom. Bull market. As soon as we broke out of that level, boom. 2014 to 2017, Bear market, accumulation, boom, bull market. 2018 to 21, bear market, accumulation, black swan, boom. Ha! Guys, I don't know about you, but the pattern is pretty real, right? 22 to 25. We're still in the accumulation phase of where we are right now. Okay, we've still got a few months, and those few months are actually as a result of the Bitcoin halving. Okay, and that's what this chart is showing you. Every time there's the halving happening, the halving happens, boom, halving, boom, halving, boom. Well, that was, the halving happened kind of around the same time, just after C19 crash, actually. So when we get to the halving, boom. I know I'm going a little bit crazy here, guys, but at the end of it, I don't care. I love you guys to bits and pieces. I think that this is an amazing energy. It's amazing to be part of the crypto space. And, when we see things like this, where money can prevent us from experiencing this ridiculous, I'll show you now. But if this beautiful Bitcoin, true money, real money, digital gold, okay, or gold 2.0, can literally be accounted for in this manner. 149 days. Every 4 years, we have a Bitcoin halving, which actually leaves us with a significant rally after the halving every single time. Bitcoin halving chart, boom, is exponentially growing. Here's this is the halving times, okay? Boom, 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 boom. All the way down until we have not many left, okay? So the 2024 halving is coming in around 149 days, as you guys can see here, 149 days, 17 hours, so 150 days still, okay? Which brings me to this ridiculousness, okay? We are officially $33.7 trillion in U.S. national debt. That's just U.S. national debt. That's not all the debt together, okay? The U.S. national total interest has been 3.85. And if you guys watched my video here earlier on, you guys would see that the announcement that the incredible Argentinian president, basically young Argentines helped put a far-right libertarian into power. Javier Milei emerged from the fringe and is now Argentina's president-elect. You know why? Because he spoke about Bitcoin. He rooted for Bitcoin. His entire economy, the entire economy before him had collapsed. Argentina was broke. Argentina was dead, okay? But until this Javier Milei came along, okay, we have had an incredible shock when he topped two main political forces in primary elections in August. Now, he's defeated Sergio Massa, a left-wing establishment candidate, in a runoff election. Okay, this is huge, guys. This is massive for Argentina because he is a Bitcoin fanatic. So Bitcoin is about to be introduced into his economy. So he basically stated in this video here that I shared with you. Go watch that video, guys. You'll check it out. Obviously, watch the video after the live show. Don't go away while we're on the live show, please. We want you here with me. So what he was basically saying in that video is that Federal Reserves and US governments and senates print money into oblivion. They've got no really other choice but to do it because they're not going to default on it. They're not going to let it go. They can't erase it. So what do? They have to keep printing more money. That means the interest rates get higher. That means more money is put, more taxpayer money goes towards paying tax, but the money is being eroded from the printing of dollars, which erodes the dollar, which erodes currency, which erodes people's ability to purchase or their purchasing power, which completely is insane. Now, they also said Medicare should not be for free. Look at it, it's $1.5 trillion in debt. Okay, Social Security, the same thing. Defense and war, that's ridiculous. Interest on debt net, it's way more than that right now. Okay, you guys can see here, US federal spending is $6.1 trillion already, and this has gone up slightly. The US federal debt to GDP, which is 124 to 45, guys. Absolutely crazy, insane. I don't know about you, but the US total debt is $103 trillion, okay? $103.3 trillion, okay? That dwarfs this number, guys. Now, I need you to know something, that this is the total debt of the entire US dollar, okay? Cool. The US national debt is being obliterated, but the US total debt is absolutely ridiculous. It's three times higher than the US national debt. Okay, so if there are defaults here, that implodes this implodes this, and this essentially implodes everything here. Okay, which means that essentially this has to be paid for that to go down, which is not going to happen because no country has the money to repay this. The money is gone. That's why they print money. Okay, that's why large companies exist. Now, I want to go and show you something here regarding large companies. Okay, so Microsoft taps Soma. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman to lead the new AI team, and shares rise in Microsoft. Okay, so Microsoft hired Sam Altman as head of new artificial intelligence research team after he was fired as CEO of ChatGPT maker OpenAI. Employees wrote a letter to the OpenAI boards threatening to follow Sam Altman to Microsoft if the board does not resign and reinstate Altman. Microsoft is OpenAI's biggest shareholder and has invested $13 billion into the startup. Microsoft shares, which had fallen after OpenAI announced Altman's departure, were up 1.5 in early trading on Monday. Okay, let's go and see what those shares actually look like. Now, because, guys, that's very interesting, right? So Sam Altman is heading off to Microsoft. He's been hired by Microsoft, probably going to do the same thing. So was that a bad investment by Microsoft? Well, I don't know. I can't really say. But at the end of the day, they've now got the CEO that was running OpenAI. What will happen to OpenAI? They'll just get another new brilliant CEO of their own kind. Who knows what will happen? But Sam Altman is renowned for what he does. And Microsoft CEO actually said out on Twitter earlier on that they intend to continue to work with OpenAI under all circumstances. So who knows? I don't know what's going on here. Who knows? Don't really, it doesn't really bother me. It doesn't affect me in my day-to-day life at all. But although essentially it does because they control OpenAI. But as you can see here, they are up by 1.67% today. Look at that crazy pump there today, guys. This is insane, this day pump. Okay, so Microsoft continues to rally based on all of this information. So who knows what's going to happen here in the future, but all I know is that things are happening around the world. Bitcoin is being bought, distractions are being had, and you guys are missing out on the opportunity to collect crypto and accumulate more crypto. Make sure you use my links down pinned in the comments of the live stream, guys. All right, so, essentially, like if we look at certain things here on the daily chart, the daily huddle, there's so much information. And you guys can see here that $1 billion in Ethereum leaves centralized crypto exchanges in just 3 weeks into the block. Okay, so Ethereum price 1970, total fees 67 million, exchange flows 320 million plus 70 million. Guys, there are growing signs of new entrants buying Bitcoin. The percentage of active addresses that are newly created as tracked through the new adoption rate indicator reached a yearly high of 67.62% this week. This is crazy, guys. Bitcoin is being adopted. Ethereum is being adopted. Crypto is being adopted. And if you guys don't get it, then you need to know where we're at right now. Okay, I'm going to remove my little squiggle lines from you guys so that you guys can actually just see where we are right now, because essentially we are making a very, very good pump up here already, and the pump is just getting started. Okay, so you guys can see that already on the charts. Let's zoom in here. So let's delete that. So that's very much nice and clear. That is the start to the week on the candle right now, guys. Let's tap the upside of this channel once, twice. Are we going to reach the third time? Because if we reach the third time and we hold that candle above this level here of $1.426 trillion in the crypto space, guys, this is the total crypto market cap. It almost looks as though we are about to just get support here, and bah! That's what it looks like is about to happen here. And I tell you something, the next level of resistance up here, guys, I have been showing you this for some time now, is all the way up here. Okay. Look at that beautiful level of candle touches, breakthroughs, tap downs, wicks, body closes. That is a huge level. Yes, of course, we got all of this over here as well. Wow, we might just bounce around in here. I don't know, but as far as I'm concerned, the MACD is starting to turn green. It's starting to open. It's starting to cross over. The RSI has reached the top. This is a good signal to continue to buy, and it could just sit here for a little moment like it has previously done up in these areas. Okay, now there is going to be, now I need you guys to just understand something. On this weekly time frame, look at this little pullback. This little pullback here. Okay, let's go to the top of the candle, to the bottom of the candle. In fact, let's go to the whole. No, there you go. That's a 30% pullback on the weekly. Okay, just to give you an indication of what that pullback would look like. Now, it's going to be necessary for us to have pullbacks, right? So if we were to have a pullback from this level to start and a 30% pullback, I mean, a 30% pullback could bring us all the way down here again, back to the $1.3 trillion level. What would a 30% pullback look like from the Bitcoin 48,000 level? Look at that, guys. Look at this. That's a breakout level right there. Okay. Do you see what I'm saying? So all of this actually counts. It matters. These price action levels. Okay. And as you guys can see, there is stronger, higher lows. Okay. Busy happening over there. Okay. We are also starting to build some sort of upward channel on this kind of time frame. Okay. So we have really, as you guys can see over there, look at those levels. Okay, I'll even pull it to the top of that wick there. Look at those levels there. Okay, very, very interesting, right? So this is a level of resistance. I believe that we'll probably hit this level of resistance and then start to have a bit of a pullback on the crypto space. Look at that. Okay, that's where we're going to see a little bit of a pullback, guys. Undoubtedly so. This is where we broke through. We fell, continue to fall down here. Like, this is a good level to actually consider. So what would the level be there? $1.63 trillion. Okay, so another plus minus about $300 billion to come into the space. Guys, $300 billion coming into the space. That's huge. That's huge. That's going to make our altcoins pump like crazy. And you know why? Because right now we are only at 1.426. So actually $300 billion into the space right now, there you go, would take us up to about 1.7, 1.8 trillion dollars, guys. Look at this trading volume. I showed you on my video earlier on that the trading volume was sitting at 52 billion. We've increased 17 billion trading volume. Okay, you can see how we're increasing here once again, and Bitcoin is maintaining its composure. Now let's go and have a quick squiz at the Dixie chart, okay, because I have showed you guys a little bit of information. And before we actually go into the Dixie chart, let's let these charts just do their thing, carry on, refresh themselves. And in the meantime, let's go and have a look at this incredible Bitcoin rainbow chart, because this chart will align very much with this chart, and it will show us what on earth you need to be doing, because if you are about to miss the Bitcoin halving, okay, in the next 150 days, okay, we will see some epic times ahead. Ivan on Tech reckons we've got about 500 days left of absolute beautiful 50, 20 to 100, 20, 50, 100x gains coming up in the market. And I agree with Ivan on Tech. You can see the momentum, you can see the liquidities coming in, and it's really going to be bringing lots and lots of magical stuff for you and I to continue to accumulate for the next 150 days. Okay, some Bitcoin and other altcoins, because right now we're sitting in a great place, guys. So let us go and see this chart here. The Bitcoin rainbow chart. What is going on with you? Let's go. Okay. All right. We'll come back to the rainbow chart in a moment. But for now, the Dixie continues to fall. I said to you guys in my video today that the Dixie would continue to fall because of this candle yesterday. We're continuing to fall. My personal view is we come down to this 102.2 before we see any sort of major rebounce off of this level. And now, guys, I don't think that we'll get higher than that zone right there, because that was resistance enough over there, over there, over there, and slightly over there. Not quite, but slightly. I mean, look at that. Look at those levels there, guys. So, guys, I think this is the next leg down for the dollar, hey? And soon we'll be seeing much, much lower levels for the dollar. And that's going to tell me that we have a lot of upside momentum in risk on assets. So this is, guys, essentially, this would have been, this point here, all of this would have been your best time to have accumulated some Bitcoin and crypto, essentially. Sat through the bit of the bleeding, and you accumulated all of this. This would have been the best time to accumulate, okay? Because now you would be in bucket loads of profit and money over here. So I don't know about you, but damn it, I hope you've been accumulating. If you haven't, click my links down below in the comments, pinned in the comments there for you guys. That will take you to a place you won't regret. All right. So Coinbase, Bitcoin charts, what are we doing? We are kind of sitting here at the moment. This is the MACD, as I said on my video earlier on, is coming up into the white. Looks like we're going to cross over here once again on the MACD, and that aligns very, very beautifully with the RSI, plus the upward momentum support, plus we are about to break through what looks like almost like no man's land. And if I have to just bring our VRVP indicator, you know, the 618 level is all the way up here at the 48K level, guys. But I don't know how to say this to you. We broke out. We became bullish when we broke this area right here. You can see that because that VRVP level was that insane level. And look at the momentum indicator that happened there on the RSI. Plus that was the crossover on the MACD. So this is on the daily time frame. And if that hasn't convinced you enough, guys, that we are bullish, look at the VRVPR. We have a little bit of resistance here at this level, which we're probably building up the momentum to currently break through. Okay. Which once we break through this level, guys, we probably hit there, you know, maybe some sort of breath of fresh air. I don't even know. Maybe a little bit of a sideways thing here. But look at this. Look at this, guys. This is telling us we are literally going to be breaking through all-time highs very, very soon. Okay. Extremely soon. So I don't know about you, but I seriously am accumulating, and I will show you my trades in a little while. So make sure to stay tuned. But if we look at this beautiful level, guys, I actually have to say to you, let's zoom in here a little bit because I want to just draw a horizontal line for you. Sorry, a vertical line for you. And I want to show you this here right now so that you guys can see how accurate I have personally been for you guys. Okay. And because of that, I would really love for you guys to love the video. You know what to do and subscribe to the channel, please. In the meantime, you guys can see that the breakout literally happened, boom, right here at this neckline. Okay. Well, first of all, because there was down sloping momentum. So this was the breakout level right here. Now, look at how insanely, ridiculously, abundantly epic this time actually is. Okay, look at this. Okay, first of all, look at this breakout right here, pushing up. This candle confirmed the breakout. We then smashed up this resistance level through here, closing kind of sitting sideways for a few days, smashing the level up through the neckline there. We also had the RSI turning over and flipping there. We also had the RSI on the top flipping out of this zone right here. And as you guys can see there, that is extremely accurate. Okay. So if you guys know how to look for these beautiful and use these indicators to help you decide where you need to get in better, then you guys need to subscribe to the channel. I will definitely love to do more of the live sessions about teaching you guys how to trade and use the specific indicators and how to set your indicators out. The example is I do 80-20 on my RSIs because as you can see, it's extremely accurate up here. Okay. My MACD, I just leave and you can see here it's 1226 close, 9 EMA. So it's the original use of the MACD indicator. But look how perfect this is, guys. We're about to do the same thing over here right now, which tells me that we are literally at this point right here, okay, about to see the crossover on the RSI. We're about to see the cross come out of the red and into the green, and the cross take place on the estimated moving average on the MACD, which guys, I mean, I don't know about you, but we've made higher highs, we've made higher highs and higher lows, which is bullish. So I'm just telling you what the charts are telling me, and I do know how to read these charts, and I hope you guys can too, and I hope you guys are learning some stuff here. You know, because this is very, very important information for you guys. And at the end of the day, I I know this stuff. I don't need to stare at this stuff with you guys. I want to share this stuff with you guys. Okay. And that's why I look at this. Okay. And we look at very, very specific levels. And if we now start to break it down into a 12-hour, look at how the 12 hours busy hanging on the edge of a cliff here. But, you know, we're about to come out of the zone. The RSI is picking up. So, guys, don't be fooled by what is going on because there is manipulation. We now have to just break out of this little area. Once we've broken out of here, oh boy, look at what we'll do. And look how obvious this is. Look at that level. So we will smack here, pull back, and then break through. That's what's going to happen. It's obvious. You can see that's happening with the momentum indicators, the RSI, stochastic RSI, and you guys can continue to see this happening over here. Now, I will leave that little line here so that you guys can see that a little bit later. But I'd like to go and show you the total 3 crypto market cap because the total 3 crypto market cap is kind of doing the same thing as what Bitcoin is about to do. Although we've got that crossing over there, which is normally a bit more bearish. But we are also making higher highs, higher lows, okay? And we are above a support level. We have also broken above this level, but that doesn't mean we can't pull back. I mean, we have wicked down so many times on this level, creating higher lows, which essentially was this right here. Okay, so that level of support. So very interesting to see that. Now, if we can go and leave the ZAR BTC for now, but if we go and have a look at your Ethereum chart, I mean, Ethereum is literally about to go parabolic, and I don't think you guys actually realize why it's about to go parabolic. But you know, ETH is deflationary, and if you look at this level and you look at this level, that is a bounce off of this level here already at support. Cool, guys, we might pull back a little bit, but we're about to break this level. Make no mistake, we break this level, we're coming up to this level, we have to retest. It's going to take some time, but it's going to happen. And the moment we get above this level, guys, look at how much resistance Ethereum has over here at the moment. Literally right here within this zone right here. Ethereum has a huge amount of resistance. Okay. So I don't know about you, but as you can see, the Ethereum chart is looking a lot more bullish than bearish in all perspectives. RSI, that's coming white. So lots of that action happening. This is looking good over here, bouncing off of support. And once again, guys, look at those beautiful levels on Ethereum, right? The same thing is happening as Bitcoin. You can see here that we probably hit here, pull back, find some support, smash up to the 3.5, find some support, and then go on to break all-time highs. And look at that. Look at that level of the resist. I mean, there's diminishing resistance as we move up in price action on these cryptos. So, guys, this was your level that you actually had to accumulate in. Those were your levels. I mean, you can still accumulate, but it's starting to get a little bit more on the expensive side for accumulation. But you still have, like I've been showing you, at least 159 days to accumulate before this bull cycle goes ridiculously and absolutely parabolic, like it has done every single time after the halving. Guys, sure, I don't know about you, but I mean, even my trading, I'm trading this like beasts. So what was that? What was that? What was that? That was a chart that you maybe have needed to be seeing. No, that was my support levels. Oh yeah, check it this. This is an old chart of mine. Look at this. Support what? I mean, look at this. I can clean this up for you. We found support 4, support 3, support 2, support 1. Look at that, how it retested support 1. Look at how it retested it again to confirm. Double bottom. That's where it broke up. Broke out of the neckline right there, guys. When I look at this and you see Bitcoin coming up to its halving, I mean, I'm going to show you this again, guys. Like Bitcoin halving, pump. Bitcoin halving, pump. Bitcoin halving, pump. Bitcoin halving, pump. Inevitable. Give me the thumbs up on the video if you agree here. Now, I want to show you something, guys. So as you can see here, so generally about 150 days. Ivan on Tech says 500 days, and mine says October 19th, 2025. Now, let's see. Let's do an exercise together. 500 days from today. Okay. Is Thursday, 3rd of April, 2025. So between now, Thursday, April 2025, and October 19th, 2025, that is where we're going to see this ridiculously crazy bull cycle top out. Okay. So if I have to do an incredible horizontal line for you, that is there. I mean, right there, 3rd of April. Look at that, guys. Sure. Incredibly beautiful. So 500 days is not so far away, especially considering that after the halving, you would essentially have 350 days left to make money in the crypto space. And guys, when it goes parabolic, it goes para-freaking-bolic. So it'll be hard to catch the trend, but it'll be easy to make money in this bull cycle. I mean, you can probably leverage the sweeps out of your trades. Okay, so all right. Okay, now that we've spoken enough about all of that, last thing about the beautiful chart over here. So let's see what it says for 5th of April 2025, where the possibilities will be. Sorry, was it 5th of April? 3rd of April. Okay, 3rd of April. And the 3rd of April. Okay, there you go. Right there. Okay, so let's just say the 6th of April. Look at this, guys. So we're basically saying that the absolute, and I have said to you thousands of times that Bitcoin will see a $285,000 to $300,000 maximum in the next bull cycle. Arthur Hayes believes much more, which could actually push us out of the rainbow chart area. And it has previously done that with some of the other oscillators where it ridiculously pumped out of those oscillators, but not out of the rainbow chart. Rainbow chart gives you quite an accurate reading. And that's why you guys can see here on the 6th of April, it says that the red zone, which is maximum bubble territory, is going to be between $265,000 and $358,000 Bitcoin. Okay. And the absolute minimum it would be is $31,000 to $41,000, guys. That is still sitting at our current price levels. Okay. If the worst came to worst and Bitcoin did nothing, but that's not going to happen, as you can see here on the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I mean, look at this stuff, guys. I hope I'm facing the right way, but look at these things. Look at these charts. Okay. I can't state this to you any more than what it already has been. But every single time, as you guys can see, we have hit the top of the rainbow channel, except for the 2021 bull cycle, which is where actually BlackRock over here announced that they will be looking, that the spot, they announced their wonderful. Oh, sorry, you guys, if you got lost there, the connection. I don't know why the connection's so bad, but hope it's better now. But if we go and look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, we do a calculation of $416,000 Bitcoin, okay, divided by today's current price of, I think, 37,238, divided by 37,238 bucks. That will give us an 11.17x gain on Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin. You're going to 11x your money on Bitcoin, guys. It's a huge possibility in the next cycle. So hope you guys have enjoyed watching this this live stream. Let's go and have a look at the trades in a moment. But you guys can see actually that really Bitcoin is going to go parabolic, whether you like it or not, whether you're on the Bitcoin train or not. It is going to depart the station, and if you have, you will be on the train, and if you don't have, you will be left at the station. Okay, and I'm sorry to be so blunt to you, but I'm actually at the same time, I'm not sorry, because if you don't know about this technology yet, you need to get in before BlackRock. Although BlackRock already owns Bitcoin, and they're applying for and they own a futures ETF, and they're applying for a spot ETF, which means they're going to take more control over the Bitcoin asset. And at this point, they will sell it to you at high prices and buy it from you for low prices. Okay, at discounts, because that's how they trade. They trade against us. That's why the market will be manipulated. Okay, now, if you can't see that, I can't help you. And I hope you can see it. And I hope you're being helped. Let me know with a thumbs up on the video. Let's go and have a look at, wow. Wow. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This is amazing, guys. Fuck yeah. Excuse my French. Okay, look at this here. This is strong volume. RSI coming up. Beautiful, beautiful candle. And this candle, if it closes like this in the next 18 minutes, we are going to see, if it closes very similar to this, we are going to see Bitcoin pump tonight. Now, if you guys don't believe me, go watch on my video. I said Bitcoin is going to be pumping probably in the next 24 to 48 hours. And I said more than likely tonight. Okay, that is incredible, guys. Oh, man, I love this game, man. I love this. This is just a game, guys. It's just a game. And if you play the game well, you will make good money. Now, I want to go and share something with you because I did actually enter into a little bit more over here. And I wonder why it's not showing me, but we'll refresh here so we can see properly. You know, what's going, yeah, tell me, where are you guys from? I would love to know where all my subscribers are from. Guys, I'm going to be running a competition very soon, so make sure you hit that notification bell. I am going to be running my competition very, very soon. I just want to get past all of the Black Friday noise because nobody's going to be interested in nothing, nada. I want to show you guys some interesting stuff. So I actually bought more Bitcoin right here on this level. Why? Because we are literally breaking out. We were breaking out in this candle. We didn't break below in this candle. We found this level of support here, okay? And that's what I've been drawing here. And guess what? We wicked down, bought strongly back up. We're trying to get a wick down, but the candle made a higher high and a higher low. Guys, Bitcoin is getting very, very bullish. And this is telling us, this candle here is telling us that we are literally about to explode this evening. So if you guys don't have Bitcoin, then I can't help you. But you can see I've bought more Bitcoin here. I told you in my video over here, if you watched it, that I would be adding more to my Bitcoin position. And I added some more here to my Bitcoin position. And now I am doing extremely and extraordinarily well here in my position. And I am so excited to share my position values with you. So let's go and check them out, guys. So I added an extra $10 into that position. I'll add even more as soon as we get this neckline confirmation breakout. Because once we have that neckline confirmation breakout, guys, 48,000 is coming fast. Fast. It's a $10,000-$11,000 move. And I'm telling you, it'll happen in 2-3 weeks' time. Within 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so I will double down on this position once that happens. Okay, and I probably would increase the leverage, but we will see about that. Right now, my Bitcoin trade is at 320%, $94 in profits. Okay, I've used $30 on my own. I've realized $61 of profit. Okay, my entry price has shifted up as I've added into my position slightly. My Cardano, if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. But we will open up quick Q&A at the end of this, so we'll see what happens from there. But anyways, Cardano, 45%. Algo, 90%. My AVAX is 150%. My Cake is 93%. My Ethereum is now doing 13%. And Ethereum, guys, might I add, as I've been saying to you, is also looking really juicy. Really very, very juicy. And I guess I do have a bit of a poor connection. It's probably because I have to reset the computer, guys. So I hope that you have enjoyed this. I'm going to log off very soon, but my Phantom is at 47%. What was this one here? So Cake, 95, Ethereum, 14. And you can see that I haven't realized any profits on these trades just yet, okay? Although I think I will probably realize some profits here on my near trade very, very soon. But I might hang on to it, okay? Because my, you can see here, I haven't put a take profit level, okay? But actually, let's go and move my stop loss up. Shall we do this together? Guys, I need this to work. Why is it not working? Okay. But basically, theta is 35%, and my near is 232%. So, you know, it's always good to take profits. So how about we go and take off 10% of the profits? What do you think, guys? Shall we do that together before I log off here? And yeah, you know, I'm going to open up the Q&A here, and I'd like to see if you guys would have any questions to ask me. Let's see. Ask me anything you want to know about crypto right now. Okay. start Q&A. There you go. So now I've sent out to you guys. Let me know, man. Let me know. Okay. Stream settings. So I hope this has been a good live stream for you guys so far. I know it might have been a little bit slow, and I'm not sure. It says I'm not connected, but my internet and my other computer is doing well. But I see that there's an update on my other computer, which means that there's probably an update here, and that's why we're running a little bit slow. So I apologize for that, guys. We will have that sorted out, you know. Microsofts and HPs and Lenovo's and all kinds of things and Apples do updates so frequently these days, it's actually ridiculous. Although that's very good in one way, but it's also not good in another way. It's unhealthy in another way. So look at this. Bitcoin's really pumping, guys. Bitcoin's pumping. Bitcoin's pumping. All right. All right. Bitcoin is pumping. All right. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, these are very extremely bullish candles right now. And I don't know about you, but crypto is about to pop. We can see that's busy happening. We're about to see crypto pop. Oh, my epic. Okay, let's take some profits on near trade. And then we'll use those profits to leverage our Bitcoin trade. Guys, let's do this. Okay. What's going on here? Man, okay, let's go just down here and then take some profits. Okay, let's go limit. Let's take 10%. Okay, confirm. So 7.3 contracts. It doesn't actually say what our profit will be. Closed near. So 7.3, closing 10%. Confirm. You guys can see my equity over there on the derivatives and the available balance there. So you guys can see how transparent I am with you, especially on this account. So make sure you guys smash the thumbs up here for me on the video. Okay, you can see here. Okay, but I will close that off for you guys now. And yeah, guys, we're going to be building big gains here, guys. But this sucks, man. This is not doing so well. Why? Guys, I'm going to have to log off. I will let you know that I took 10% profits. If you want, I'll post it on Twitter. Actually, I'll post it on my Telegram group, so make sure to go and check that out there. Okay, as you guys can see, okay, maybe something's working here now. Oh, wow, Near. We'll see what Near has in store for us, and then we will see, wow, $138 million in volume just came into Near today, guys. Wow, 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 wow. That is incredible. Okay, guys. But yeah, let's log out. Let's leave this. I will post it. Go check it out. Love you guys. Thanks for being here with me today. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to hit my links down below. We will see you on the next one. You benevolently blessed, beautiful souls. Thanks for being here. Take care and have a wonderfully incredible day.